Today we've got a Hyundai Kona in the shop. We're doing 3M ceramic IR tinting on it, and what you'll see is it's got clear glass on the front, privacy glass on the rear. Now 3M ceramic comes in multiple shades, so we can do darkest legal 35% on the front doors, and then on the back doors what we do is we just test how dark this is and then use an appropriately shaded film to make sure that it's still legal when you combine the film with the glass. So in this particular car we're using a 70% shade. 3M actually comes in, pretty much any shade you could think of. We stock mostly 35% and 70% because that ticks the boxes for most cars. But if you are after something slightly different, some people like, say, a lighter film for the front windows. Some people want a almost completely clear film for the front windows. You may not have privacy glass and want just a medium shade of tint on the whole car. We can get in any shade of 3M ceramic IR for you. We have a very good relationship with our supplier Spices, who provide all the 3M films, and we can get the film that you want in within one day if it's something that we don't stock as standard. So the Kona is all finished. As you can see, the 3M ceramic IR 35 is an excellent match for the back windows. It's never exactly as dark as the back windows because legally we can't tint this dark. But the important thing is the colour tone is very close to what the back privacy glass looks like, and we're getting as close as possible in darkness. We like using 3M ceramic IR because it's as close to the legal limit as we can get. It blocks out a huge amount of heat, and it's a really nice neutral black colour which looks good on pretty much any car, especially cars like this where we're trying to complement the rear privacy glass. If you're interested in 3M ceramic IR for your car, you can come and see us, we can show you some samples, or you can give us a call and we can chat about what might work best for your car.